Okay, this time we come to the subtractions of negative numbers. Before we go on to the topic, just a reminder, positive numbers and negative numbers are opposites to each other. Now, just look at the diagram here. If we have positive 6, and then the positive here means it is on the right of 0. That's why it means positive 6 is here. Okay, and then this distance is 6 units, and the opposite of it will be on the left. Okay, the opposite of right is left, therefore is here also 6 units. Therefore, in this case, we want to specify it is on the left. Then we use a negative sign, and this is negative 6. And similarly, if I have negative 14 will be somewhere here. Okay, negative means on the left of 0, and then the opposite means on the right. Okay, also the distance between this part and 0 should be 14 units, and because in this case it is on the right, we use positive signs, positive 14 here. And we use thinking so that we have this idea. When we subtract a positive number, if we look at the number line, we move to the left. Now, just take this one as an example. If we start at positive 7 here, and then minus 3 units, okay, then in this case we start at positive 7 and then move to the left by 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 0 should be somewhere here. Okay, and therefore in this case we have positive 6, positive 5, and then positive 4. And therefore in this case, positive 7 minus positive 3 equals positive 4. Now, similarly, in this, we use a similar idea for moving on the number line, but in this case we have a negative number. Now, if you still remember, positive number and negative number are opposite to each other, and therefore the movement is also opposites. They are different. If I subtract a positive number, it is moving to the left. Then in this case, if I subtract a negative number, I move to the right. Okay? Now, therefore in this case, if I look at this example, positive 7 minus, this time I have a negative number, and therefore it means I have to move to the right by 3 units. 1, 2, 3. And when we move to the right, the numbers is getting bigger. Therefore 8, positive 8, positive 9, and this is positive 10. And therefore in this case, positive 7 minus 3 minus negative 3 equals 10. Okay, now if you think carefully, for 7 and 3, if I have these two numbers, how can I get the value 10? Okay, now in this case, instead, other than positive 7 minus negative 3, we have, say, 7 plus 3 is also 10. Okay, therefore in this case it means when we have negative, okay, minus negative, okay, it becomes plus. Okay, let's try some other examples. Now, if I have positive 4 minus negative 2, if I use the number 9 just now, okay, 0 is somewhere here, okay, positive 4, and then because it is minus negative number, I move to the right by 2 units. Therefore, starting from positive 4, 1, 2, okay, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6. And therefore, it means positive 4 minus negative 2 equal positive 6. But positive 6 also, okay, equal positive 4 plus 2. And therefore, in this case, we would use this idea. We have positive 4 minus negative 2, and this part can be rewritten as positive 4 plus 2. Therefore, at the end, I get 6. Okay, now let's try some other example. Okay, now you can pause the video for a moment and then try the remaining 3, and then we can check the answer. Okay, now for the second one, positive 10 minus negative 6 will be rewritten as positive 10, okay, and these two becomes plus 6, okay, subtract a negative number, okay, minus a negative number, and therefore it becomes 16, okay. And then how about the next one? For the next two, you have two negative number this time. If you have problems in doing it this way, you can try to do it on the number line again. Okay, minus 3 minus 9 and equal minus 3, okay, plus 9, okay, equal minus 3 plus 9 equals positive 6. Or if you have problems, then you can try to do it in number line. You draw the number line, and then you can find the answer by moving the numbers. Now let's try number 3 with a number line. We have negative 3, and then because we subtract a negative number, we move to the right and by 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, then the last one. Okay, the last one, it can be rewritten as -8 or -8, okay, plus 4, okay, -8 plus 4 equals -4. -8 move to the right by 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. -8, -7, -6, -5, -4. Okay? Hope you can handle these kinds of calculations. See you next time.